Here are some facts about animals you probably never learned. Number 1. Jellyfish existed long before dinosaurs and have survived for over 500 million years. Number 2. An octopus can taste food using its suckers, not just its mouth. Number 3. A group of crows is called a murder, a name given because of their dark behavior. Number 4. Butterflies remember being caterpillars, even after completely transforming. Number 5. Elephants are unable to jump, but they can run surprisingly fast. Number 6. A single blue whale heartbeat can be detected from more than 2 miles away underwater. Number 7. Honey never spoils, and jars found in ancient tombs are still edible today. Number 8. Frogs absorbed water through their skin instead of drinking it with their mouths.